So Cal, what do you think of your first time in the gondola? What do you think? Ooh, that was cool. What do you think, Cal?
Better.
I thought you might think so. Now we're going to go high up in the sky, all the way to the top of the mountain. What do you think? Is that cool? You want to ski some more? What do you think of skiing really fast with Daddy? Was it fun? We went a long way, Cal. We went all the way from the other mountain. All the way. You did great. So this is the world of skiing, Cal. What do you think? You and I are going to be doing this for a lot of years together. Someday you're going to look at this video and say, Daddy, remember the first time we were in the gondola? Can we watch that video again?
Go and go.
You ready to go, Cal?
Yeah, sure. Let's
You
go.
want to go fast or slow?
Fast.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm having a lesson.
I got you.
Listen.
Steady as she goes.
Whoa,
It's a
yeah.
little bumpy here.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, there's a big bump. Oh, yeah. And then another bump. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's another big bump. Oh,
Steady
yeah.
as she goes, Cal.
Bump, bump. Yeah, do it, do it, do it. Big bump. Big. We need superpowers. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah, we're going faster than them. Whoa, we have a motor.
Whoa.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Stable.
It's a
Stable.
landing
Okay,
race.
let's take a break.
Ah!
Whoa. Oh, we have to reboot. We have to reboot now.
Oh.
How was that?
Yeah, better. Thank you. Yeah, better. Yeah,
Here. Here, Cal.
yeah, thank you. Oh, well. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, Cal, look at all we skied. We skied from the top.
And then we have to do it more.
Yeah, we have to do it more.
Let's go. Let's stop moving. Whoa.
wanna go
Whoa. How he goes. Whoa.
You want to go faster?
Yeah.
We could go fast like that.
Snowball.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Let's go. Circling. Go the left hand.
Okay.
Going through the humans and the smash. And the whistle.
Nice and easy.
Whoa, yeah! Zoom! 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 Zoom, please!
Now we're going to turn left a little bit. Here we go. Turn left. Now we can do it nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Watch
We're
out!
going to go really fast. Here we go. Oh, it's bumpy here. Woo! It's bumpy here.
Yeah, it's bumpy, but
How do you like the speed?
very
Good?
Wow!
Whoa. It's bumpy here.
Oh, yeah!
Now it's flat. Whoa. There we go.
Yeah!
Okay, one hand, one hand, one hand, one hand. Good work, Cal. Good work. Now look, we're going to go straight down this one.
Whoa!
Ready?
Yeah, straight down on the boat.
Straight down on the boat.
Listen. Okay, let's go.
Turn right. Turn left. Whoa, reboot. Okay, good job.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, on your own, on your own. What do you think, Cal? Phew! We just went really far.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go even more far.
So
how do you like it? How do you like it, Cal?
How do you like it?
How do you like it? Tell me.
It's really fun.
You're
And
feeling
the
fun.
The boat, because if motor have fire, then there's no problem.
Okay, let's go visit our friends over there. We're gonna ski up there and we're gonna stop. Okay, nice and easy. Very light touch. Okay, now we're gonna turn to the left here. Ready? And lift up your left ski a little bit. And we're gonna make a nice turn.
Nice turn.
Here we go.
We're going to follow them.
Yes, we are. We're gonna go to the right.
Whoa.
Good. Keep your balance. Keep your balance. Now to the left. Whoa. Keep your balance. Keep your balance. Good. Now we're just going to go straight a little bit. Good. Very good balance, Cal. Whoa. Very good. Now let's go to the left here. Go to the left. To the left.
Oh, yeah.
Now, here it is, Cal. We're going to go super fast.
Okay.
Ready? We're going to go nice and super fast. Okay, lead with your skis. Heads up. Super fast. Super fast boat. Wow, you're going faster than I am.
Go, go.
Super fast.
Yeah, we're doing it. The motor's very fast. The motor's
Okay, one hand, Cal. One hand. One hand. One hand. Good, good. Good, one hand. Keep going. Keep going. Very good, Cal. You're barely touching my hands. One hand. Good. What's that? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Use your balance. Look straight. Look straight. Good job. Perfect, Cal. Perfect. Nice turning, nice control. Let me give you a little boost here. Wow, it's so pretty here, isn't it? Whoa, look how fast he's going. Let's catch him.
Okay.
On him. Good job. Two hands, turn to the left. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Good job, good job. Whoa, into the shade. Okay. Ready? One hand, one hand. Good job. Whoa. Steady as she goes, Cal. Steady as she goes. Whoa. Keep your ski straight, Cal. Nice and straight. Nice and straight. Okay, look forward, look forward. Look forward, one hand. One hand. Stand up. Good, good. Straight, one hand, you're good. Okay, we have to walk now. How was that? How was that, Cal? Was that fun? You want to go faster? grab it. Both hands. Okay, here we go. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Point up.
Adam's lemons, everybody. That was